Hello guys, today we'll continue our survival game. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add objects which you can eat or drink. First, let's add a cylinder and change material to iron. For the can of Coke, we need to add a picture of Coca-Cola from both sides. Also, we can find a picture of red color and just put it on the can. When the can is ready, we can just add a script inside of this part. And also we need a proximity prompt, so we can press E to collect it. Also, let's change it to column. Let's go back to script. In this script, we need to create a function. So I'll just write function take. Also, we could put players inside. In this function, we need to delete this part and we need to trigger it somehow. So inside of our script parent, which is our part, we can find proximity prompt. Just press proximity prompt and then we trigger it. And connect our function. You put colon. You put colon and connect. With our function take. Now let's go back to line 2. In this we'll delete our part. So script parent colon destroy. After that happen, we need to add variable. After that, we need to add information to our variable, change our variable. So in the player, we have stats instead of leader stats. In my leaderboard, we have water and food. As you can see, it's located in stats. So we'll just write player stats. Dot water value. So we'll change the value of our water. If you want to add it, we just press plus equals 5. Let's try it. As you can see, we have the screen, and we have, when I click it, it gives me more than 100. That's what we need to change now. As you can see, it's plus. As you can see, it's more than 5. So what do we need? We need to create condition if our script stats water value more or less than or equals to 100. Then we do the script. So it will only works when you have less than 100. And then put it here. But we have another problem. We still can take it, right? So if I play it, I have 100. I can't take it. If I have less, I can take it, but I have more than 100. So what do I need to do? I need to create a new function of a new condition in this condition. If my player stats water value less than 100, then we can make variable equals to 100. So if you have more than 100, it's still going to be 100. As you can see, 199, press E, I have 100, no more than 100%. After that, we need to take the Coke and put it in replicated storage, the place where you can put everything and call it every time you want. Let's just add a part, anchor it, and name it spawner. This is gonna be our spawner for our details. So we just press plus, add a script, and that's what we need to write. First, let's make the way to our part. So Coke is gonna be in game replicated storage, and we need to find cola. Then we need to create local function with the name cola spawner, for example. Then we need to know what will happen. So actually we need to repeat that all the time. That's why I'll write a while to do. I need to show the path to my clone. So I'll create local clone, which is cola, and make a clone of it. Then we need to show where this part will appear. We'll write local dot position, script, parent, and then position, but now we need to make it random. Yeah? Otherwise, it's going to be only on one place. So I'll write plus vector 3 dot new, and then instead of 0, 0, 0, which is x, y, and z, I will change it to random. That's why I will change it here. Instead of 0, I'll write mass dot random, and I need two variables. For example, from -5 to 5. The same thing I will do for z. Will not change y because we don't actually need it. It's the height. But what we actually need is we need to put our clone inside of workspace. That's why I'll write clone dot parent equals game dot workspace. And also we need taskway. Otherwise your PC is going to be broken or burned. Also we need to call this function. So just write call a spawner with brackets. Let's play and see it. Yeah, we have working call spawners. It appears very close because we have -5 and 5. Now we can make transparency to 1 so we don't see this. But one thing we need to fix, this one. Let's do -50-50 and -50-50. So it's going to be spawning in different positions. Let's see, close and far away. If you want them to spawn further, you can change your variable. But I will change task wait because we need to wait more than 1 second. Let's do 60 seconds. The next step is duplicate the same spawner and put it somewhere else because we need to create a new spawner. I'll just put can clay so you don't touch it. And then instead of cola, I'll write food. I have chosen a new food. McDonald's meal. I just rename it to food just in case and put it in replicated storage. Let's name it food spawner. If we go inside, we have the same spawner, but we need something else. Inside of our food, we just add proximity prompt, and also we'll duplicate our script from cola. Just open it. We have our function, but we have water. Inside of leaderboard, I have food. So I just need to write food instead of water everywhere. Let's click play and see. You have any food? Yeah, we have this food. Let's take it and that's it. Now we have water and food system so you can really survive. But if you don't have enough food, if water or food is 0, you're gonna be dead. If you don't know how to make it, go to my first part of the series and let me know in the comments what do I need to do next. Bye. gonna be dead. If you don't know how to make it, go to my first part of the series and let me know in the comments what do I need to do next. Bye.